Hello everybody, how you doing today? So today we are in Paradise Estate Life Camp 2. The Life Camp 1 is really amazing and a lot of people already have bought out that place, and right now these guys are offering one of the best offer you can ever get in Abuja, Nigeria if you want to move into an estate. But like they say in Nigeria, I might not use my mouth chop pepper for them. Let me bring in someone that's going to take you guys along this journey so you guys get to know about this estate and everything you need to know in terms of investing, in terms of buying house in this place. All right, if you're ready, let's bring in our guest. Hello, Didi.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Didi. I'm an investment advisor at the Paradise Estate Life Camp Abuja. We are right here in our Life Camp 2 project. Life Camp 1 is completely sold out, and then we have a juicy offer here in Life Camp 2 which I would want you to subscribe to.
Tell us a little bit more about Life Camp, the Paradise project first, starting from the Paradise 1 estate.
In Paradise Estate Abuja, we are into real estate.
Okay.
And then we have houses ranging from apartment to terrace duplexes, semi-detached and detached.
Okay.
Right? And then Life Camp 1, we are completely sold out. What we do is an off-plan sale. We build at your subscription. So for every house erected has been paid for in Paradise 1. Now where we are selling is our Paradise 2, which is just a few minutes from Paradise 1. We are already selling. And then we have a juicy offer I want to introduce to you for a 3-bedroom deluxe terrace duplex. It's also applicable for 2-bedroom. So this is how the offer goes. You give us 9.99 million naira now, and then you move into your house, get your keys in 12 months, move into your house while you spread your balance. So we make it very affordable for people who wish to own a home in Abuja. All you need to do is pay us 9.99 million naira now, which is a move-in deposit, right? And then you wait for us to give you your keys in 12 months. Once you have your keys, move into the house, and then you spread your balance. You can decide to make the balance one. You can decide to pay it once. You can spread it for 12 months, for as much as 5 years.
So this offer, is it just for this 3-bedroom you talked about now?
Okay, the offer is for a 3-bedroom deluxe terrace duplex, a 4-bedroom deluxe terrace duplex. It's also applicable to 2-bedroom flats. It's a great deal for investors, right? Okay, now you have your money, you're a business person, you don't want to spend all at once, you don't want to give me outright. We are just saying, instead of you to pay the whole sum of money now, give me 9.99 million naira, go and trade with your balance. Right? And then after some time, you get your keys and then compare the balance of. It's a very good start for people who said, okay, I'm a businessman, I can afford to pay you all at once. Drop it. Even if you want to put in for rent, right? You can as well pay for 10 million naira, 9.99 million, equivalent to 10 million naira now. And then when the house is ready, put it on rent. And then you use the rent to service your payments.
Okay, so basically you can buy this house now, you can pay for it, and then even if you don't want to live in Life Camp, you can rent it out. So who actually manages the renting? Is it Paradise, or the individual handles his renting, or probably sell back to as a secondary market? Who does that?
Fine. When it comes to rent, you don't have a problem, or even if you want to resell your property, right? Because we also have clients who comes into us and ask us, do you have rent? Or do you have a house I can just pay now and move in? So if you're buying for an investment, we can always contact you. Anytime we have a client that is interested to rent your house, we can contact you. Okay, sir, somebody is here to rent your house. How much do you put it for and all that? And then we link you up with the clients and the deal is sealed.
Okay, so what really makes this offer or Paradise Estate, what they're offering, better than what other estates have, especially given that looking around this whole place, find a lot of estates?
In Paradise Estate, we have high return on investment. right?
Okay.
Ever appreciating value.
Okay.
Our payment plan is very flexible.
Okay.
You can pay outright, you can spread your balance for 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. But for this offer that I'm talking to you about, the 3-bedroom deluxe terrace duplex for 9.99 moving deposit, what makes it very unique is that you can spread your balance while you live in the house.
Okay.
Give us 9.99 million naira. Move into your house. It doesn't matter how long you spread your balance. Is it for 12 months, down to 5 years, but you are in your house. You know, when it comes to other house type, you have to wait until you finish payment. That's when you can move in. But for this particular deal, 9.99 million naira, you can live in your house while you spread your balance.
Or you spread your balance up to 5 years, you said. Okay, beautiful. And once someone pays 9.9 million, when can the person expect to move into his house?
12 months.
In 12
Get your
months.
keys in 12 months. Yes.
So as you guys have currently seen, this place is under construction. The beauty may not really come out now, but if you want to see how this place may likely look like when it is completed, you can check out my video that I've done on Paradise Estate 1, where I did a drone shot and also a drive-through of that estate. So I put the link up, you can check it out, and you can get to see how this place could actually look like when it is completed.
If it is something that you're willing to invest in, if you don't want to live here, you can come and invest here and then get your return. Get your return on investment. Or alternatively, if you want to live in this location, you can also buy and come and live in this location. It's a beautiful place, as you guys have seen from the drone shot and also as I've shown you from the walkthrough. So that's it on this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get to see more of this video like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.